Hi, this is Dipen Shah, the Senior Vice President with PCG Research at Kotak Securities. Talking about markets, markets have been pretty range bound over the past 1 week or past couple of weeks, and that is in line with our expectations. We had anticipated markets to remain range bound and had recommended remaining invested in some strong, fundamentally sound, strong companies with good balance sheets. Now, we have seen that while markets have remained range bound, there has been a lot of movement in the mid cap stocks, and that has been in line with what we had expected. The markets on the overall basis were pretty range bound, largely because there were no major events either on the global or on the local front. On the global front, there was absolutely nothing, though there are a couple of events which are coming up over the next couple of days. On the domestic front, also we had the quarterly numbers which have not been very enthusing, except a few, and also we had the impact of monsoon which has been creating some concern. Going ahead, there are a few important events on the global front. We have got the Fed meeting as well as the ECB, and that will in turn decide the trend for the markets in the short term. In the domestic market, we have got quarterly numbers, the fag end of the season, which will be there over the next couple of weeks, and also we need to see the distribution of monsoon going ahead. Also, the RBI has not done anything for us in the last meeting, and to that extent that trigger is no more available. So, over the near term, we will be guided by what happens on the global front and what the global central banks do. But with a medium to long term perspective, we continue to maintain that fiscal reforms will be a necessity or a prerequisite for the markets to sustain at the current levels and move up from these levels. Till the time it happens, we will continue to recommend a bottoms up approach, remain invested in fundamentally sound, strong balance sheet companies with good managements, and once when we start seeing some signs of adequate reforms coming through, it's only then that we can start moving into some of the beaten down sectors which are domestic oriented sectors like the capital goods, infrastructure, etc. So, no major triggers on the domestic front, at least in the near term over the next 1 week or so probably. There has been a change on the political front, so that should start yielding some results going ahead. But over the next 2 to 3 or 4 days, we will be dictated more by the global events. Reforms on the fiscal side will be necessary for the markets to remain to sustain at these levels and move up on a more sustainable basis. Thank you very much.